A good morning to you all from the engine shed, the home of the Heritage Railway, the Tyne Valley line. I am Steve. I'm going to show you a couple of my birthday presents. First of all, that one. And let's see if I can put some power on. Gotta find the controller. Doesn't want to work. Oops, I've derailed it. Let's see. Yeah, I derailed it. Can you see it? Because I can't. I can. And that's another present. So I'll be having a running tram line. Right, those are my three main presents. I've had a lot of other bits and pieces, obviously, but this is the main one. This is the one off the wife. It's the LMS Briar Garrett. I'm going to see if I can unbox it. Hang on, moving you down here. Can you see me? Right. Comes out like that. Here I'm doing a Sam. Oh, it comes out like that. Now then, how does it come out now? Pass. Oh. I can't get it out. Ah, there. Comes out like that. And this is the first time I've unboxed this. Oops. I've got some pieces, look. Right, stand it up. Oh. Whoever designed these boxes need to think about me and my poor hands. Right, let's have a look at her. Before I get her out, I'm going to lift you up and show you. There you go. Sorry about this. As I'm no Sam's trains. And put you back. Oops, sorry. Put you back down and let's see if I can get it out. Right. She's out. Okay. Put that down there. Put her on the tracks. And let's have a good look at her now. Right. I know the lights work. It told me the lights work. There you go. I think these shut up. I ain't sure. And the tanker. There you go. That's the main present from the wife. Does it have spring buffers? No, it doesn't. What's the detailing like? Looks quite good, doesn't it? Anyway, that is the main present off the wife. That was the present off my wife as well. So was that. I had some paintings of steam engines and other stuff. I've got two Daleks, 00 gauge Daleks, which I'll be, which is, they've got to have the head fitted. No mean task. Right, now I've showed you them. I've been doing a bit of remodelling, as you know. I've finished this base backdrop off, but I've got to screw it back in, which I haven't done yet. I've took the bridge down. I've got plans. I'm not going to tell you what the plans are, but I've got plans. Right, let's knock the power off there. If I can. Yeah, off. Off, yeah. Right. I'm not really done, other than the backdrop. I've got this one to do next week, hopefully. What I've done is I've actually used some scatter on them. I'll show you. Yeah, as you can see, I've done some scattering on them. It's got to be fitted yet. I've just knocked the engine out and got hooked on it. Oh dear. Leave it like that for now. Okay, okay. Yeah, you've seen all this. You've seen all this. Right, G.E.T.S. I'm at G.E.T.S on the 11th. The 11th and the 12th of October. I'll be meeting my good friend Graham. I'm hoping I'll be meeting Tony, but I've not heard anything, so I don't know. He's another good friend of mine. Well, I class him as a good friend of mine. I class Tony, Graham as a good friend of mine. And I hope to meet some more people. I've done my vote, who I think should win the awards. And I still think they should do a smaller layout thing. You know, people with less than 1,000 subscribers, but nah. I wasn't going this year, as you know, but Graham said he's going, so I'm going. Yeah. Cost me 200 odd quid, but hey, I'm going. Hopefully November, I'm going to do a special Memorial Day, Remembrance Sunday. That's it really. Yep. So this is only going to be yet another short video, because it's no good me waffling. I've got a lot of work to do, and I've got a lot of tidying up to do. So next week I'm going to concentrate on that, and hopefully on that backdrop. I've done this one. I've coloured all the wrong blues in, and I've done the eels. So I'm going to do the same with that one. Yep. Covered all the markings on, and paint it again, and do the scenic backdrop. So yeah, that's my plans for next week. Tidy up, reconnect the bridge. Don't look at the garden, for Christ's sake, don't look at the garden. Right, Jan is getting a lot better. She started to do bits and pieces. Well, I've started to allow her to do bits and pieces. She's got a CT scan again on the, I think it's the 8th of October. And then I'll know when I'm going to do the operation. In theory. Okay. I shall see you all. Hopefully I'll see you next week. Or have you seen this one? Hopefully I'll see you all next week. Touching wood. Well, plywood. Well, no, I've got wood there. Touching wood. And that's it. Okay. If I don't see you next week, I'll see you. I hope to see you at G.E.T.S. So from Steve, me, to you all, have a good weekend. Be good. Be happy. But be safe. Bye. Bye.